So I was out doing a little bit of shopping today, and I stopped in at a charity shop to have a look at if they had any cheap trousers or shirts and stuff. I shouldn't have, because I found this. It's an old Strongbox, and I have no idea how far back it goes, but they don't make them like this anymore. Combination, and it's King Hand Safe, but it's got like gold trim on it, which you don't see on Strongboxes. So I'm just totally guessing its age. But the staff at the charity shop said it was dropped off by a couple whose mother had passed away, and she'd had this for most of her life. So I'm thinking 50s or 60s. Now, it's not made in China, it's not made in Japan, it is made in Korea. But also going by the gold sticker on that, I'm guessing 50s, 60s, or maybe even as early as the 70s. How cool is that? It's got little clips there for holding paperwork. I still need to figure out what that thing's for. Now the key is missing. I'll just set that back to 0 or 100 or 0, whatever it was. So, can't open it. Just combo back. So I'm going to give this a good clean. Okay, one thing I wish I wouldn't do is put sellotape or sticky tape on everything. As you can see here, where the instruction manual was, it's discoloured the paint. Bloody annoying. The interior is in immaculate condition. A little bit dusty, but that's it. A little bit of wear and tear on the outside, just there, on the corners, but that's to be expected. And also just along there, but those are all the impact areas. So that has got something to do with the spring that's inside.